Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 2-ounce apple cinnamon fragrance. I'm going to show you how to put them in an air wick to get the long-lasting smell of apple cinnamon. Alright, so we have these apple cinnamon smelly bottles. These are a 5-ounce. So these ones do smell like apple cinnamon. They are not super strong, but they are enough to put in your air wick. So what you want to do is grab your air wick. It doesn't matter what model it is, as long as it has this glass bottle. Just pop this out here and you can see the wick at the top. So what you want to do is you want to remove this plastic thing without touching the wick. So this plastic thing, you just pop it up. Once you pop it up, you will put some of this fragrance in there. So what we're going to do is get a knife and pop them up. So once you have popped it up, just grab this little plastic thing and just lift it up. Make sure you do not touch the wick, because then it'll bend and it won't be as productive as it was before. So easily lift that up, put this to the side. Now you'll go ahead and take your bottle of fragrance. I did get apple cinnamon because I like the smell of cinnamon. So just pour it in here. It is more like a thick substance versus it was before where it's more liquidy. So just go on and push it in here. Fill it up to about right here. You don't want it too full, because when you put this on and you pop it in, it will spill up out of the wick. So now we're going to tighten up the bottle. We're going to put the wick back in there. Make sure that you don't touch the wick itself. Push that down. Make sure it's all tight. It should pop right in. You can see that it is completely full. Stick it into your air wick machine, just like this. And then go ahead and put it in a plug. So this will give you extra time for your air wick. I think this would last about 2 months if you have it on the low setting. So this is an option you can do if you have these air wicks around your house. You can get these apple cinnamon. They do also offer it in different flavors.